So the first division strategy I want to go over with you is called the halving strategy. This strategy is really good because you can do most of it all in your head and get the question done, and it just lets you be faster at division. The one rule you have to follow with the halving strategy is both numbers must be even. So we're going to go over that together. So the first number we're going to look at is 126. And we're going to divide that by 14. Now, I can't mentally in my head go on 126 divided by 14 and get my number. I can't go 14 times what equals 126 in my head. But what I can do is I can have both those numbers. So I can mentally say what plus what equals 126. If I have 126, what do I get? Try it. See if you can do it in your head. You should get 63. 63 plus 63 equals 126. So I halved it. I can easily have 14. What plus what equals 14? 7. So now when I look at this equation, 63 divided by 7, I should know that. I should be able to go, what's 7 times a number that equals 63? Well, it's 9. And so that means that 126 divided by 14 is 9. So all you have to do is have your two numbers, come with an easier equation that you can do in your head, and then that's how you do the halving strategy. We'll try it one more time. Erase this. Actually, we'll do it 2 more times. So the first one we're going to do is 90. Divide that by 18. Again, I cannot do 90 divided by 18 in my head. I can't do in my head 18 times what equals 90, but I can have it. So I ask myself, well, what is half of 90? What plus what equals 90? 45. Then I ask myself, what is half of 18? What plus what equals 18? 9. Now, this is a basic fact I should know. 45 divided by 9. 9 times what equals 45? 5. So then that means that the answer 90 divided by 18 is 5. So having it will make it faster and more efficient, quicker than doing it always the long division way. So now the problem is sometimes you have it, but you might not be able to still work with it. So you might have to have it again. So I'm going to go over that with you right now. If I have 144 and I would divide that by 36. First of all, both of my numbers are even. So then I have to have them. So I ask myself, what plus what equals 144? So I have to do this in my head mentally, and my answer is 72. Then I have to have 36. What plus what equals 36? Well, it's 18. Now I look at this, I still cannot do this in my head. I still cannot go 72 divided by 18. But if both my numbers are even, which they are, let's have them again. So I'm going to have 72 now, and I'm going to get 36. I'm going to have 18, and I'm going to get 9. So now this I can work with. This I know 36 divided by 9, or I can go with 9 times what that equals 36, and I get 4. And then that means this is 4. 144 divided by 36 is 4. So that's the halving strategy. I'm going to provide you also with a poster to show you again, and then I'm going to show you quickly your notebook. So your notebook is going to look like this. Like I said, you do need to put the title, put the date. You don't have to have each number. You don't need to write that, but you do need to write the questions out and then answer them. So here you do not need to write this, but you write the question out and you answer them. So this one's been done for you to show you. And then I want you to do lots of practice. And again, this is a 2-pager. So this is where you have to keep on having sometimes. So sometimes when you have it the first time, it's still not workable. So you have to have it again until you get a number that you can work with, and then you get your answer. This is what I want done. Nice and neatly in your notebook. Use your lines properly. It will keep you organized and keep your work organized so that when I go to market, I can see what you did. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.